Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insightful product analysis. Today, we're diving into the world of sewing with a game-changer in the industry, the Nupec Handheld Sewing Machine. If you've been on the hunt for the best handheld sewing machine on the market, look no further because we've got you covered. This compact and versatile sewing device is a must-have for beginners and seasoned crafters alike. Let's explore why the Nupec Handheld Sewing Machine stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about portability. The Nupec Handheld Sewing Machine is designed with convenience in mind. Its lightweight and ergonomic design make it perfect for on-the-go repairs or spontaneous DIY projects. Whether you're at home, traveling, or simply need a quick fix, this sewing machine has got your back. But don't let its small size fool you. This little powerhouse packs a punch when it comes to performance. With the ability to handle fabrics up to 1.8 mm thick, including clothing, silk, jeans, leather, and more, the Nupec Handheld Sewing Machine offers versatility like no other. Now, let's talk about power options. Whether you prefer battery-powered convenience or the stability of direct current, the Nupec Handheld Sewing Machine has you covered. Simply pop in 4Ah batteries or plug it in using a District of Columbia 6V power source for seamless stitching every time. But wait, there's more. The Nupec Handheld Sewing Machine comes with a complete set of accessories to enhance your sewing experience. From spools of thread to a tape measure and needle threader, everything you need is right at your fingertips. In conclusion, the Nupec Handheld Sewing Machine is the ultimate solution for all your sewing needs. Its portability, performance, and convenience make it the best handheld sewing machine on the market. So why wait? Grab yours today and start stitching with ease. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.